TFNN. Headline News Update.
Okay, folks, Larry Pesavento for TFNN. Thanks for joining me today. I got more emails about the newsletter that John wrote for me this weekend. The people keep asking me, why is his outlook on the world different than mine? The only difference is he thinks there's going to be one more exploding upside that's going to go to 88,000 in the S&P and like 65,000 in the Dow. I don't see that. But the way he thinks, as you read the letter, is quite unique. Now, here's the NASDAQ over the last 10 days. Now, we made a low back on the 25th, and as you can see, all of the ABCD patterns that came in here right there on the 25th. There's your A. We'll just draw it in so you folks can see it. Hold on one second here. Hopefully, we'll be able to do that. There's your AB. There's your CD leg. Coming in within 50 points of the exact low. And then the last 4 days, we've been rallying. You can see the ABCD market went right up to the high. Last night, the market's selling off a little bit, but just very little. Now, remember, one of the things that we always talk about is you want to sell the weakest. Be like the cheetah in the jungle. Go after the prey that is least acceptable. And, of course, that happens to be in the Russell. You can see do the Russell here. Hold on, I'll get this up here in an hourly. You can see it's been the one. There's our high last night, and it's been the one that has been the weakest. The same thing is in the Dow Jones. You can just look at the Dow Jones. Now, folks, remember the Dow Jones is only 30 stocks. Okay, now I'm going to say something to you here that might startle you. In 1929, there was a Dow Jones Industrial Average with 30 of them. Okay, in 1932. Okay, we had a Dow Jones that was trading at 42. In 1929, it was trading at 383. During that time, folks, one half of the stocks, 15 Dow Jones industrial stocks, went bankrupt between 29 and 32. And so that's why you've got to pay attention to some of these things here that we're looking at. I've got a little presentation that you might like. Someone paid me a lot of money to do it, but I'm going to share it with you now because he was happy, and I hope you like it too. So what we're going to do here, we've got a break coming up very shortly, and hopefully I'll be able to see it by the gold clock on the wall, and there we are. Okay.